Alright guys, we got a Honda Pilot here. Just got dropped in last night. The owner of this vehicle called me that it just died down when they driving on the side of the road. Look at this. Wow. That tire is shot. He needs new tires on that side. So he told me that it won't start. It got towed in here. So let's give this thing a crank. Let's see if it start or if there's any lights at all. Nothing. Stone cold dead. Nothing. All right, let's pop the hood. Let's take a look at this thing. It sat here all night. We'll give this thing a try. I got a booster already. All right, we're set. Let's try this again. Let's see if we could get a light. Oh no, that's not good. Here we go. Wow, it won't even crank. All right, let's try another battery. All right, I got a extra battery here with the booster cable. Jump right on the terminal. This booster pack is dead, totally dead. Here we go. That's better. Oh my god. Oh shit. Nothing. Jesus Christ. Totally nothing. All right, we'll bring in the reinforcement here. We'll park the terrain in front of the Pilot, and then we'll give it a boost. All right, let's give this a try. God damn it, this thing is ridiculous. It sparks. Something going on here. Something is grounding out. All right, this is the fourth time. Let's see if this works. Oh, that's better. We got all the lights lit up. Let's give this thing a crank. Let's go. Ah, Jesus Christ. Starter motor, maybe. All right, guys. Finally, we called the tow truck. We're gonna have to bring this in the garage. It's too cold to work outside, so get the tow truck. Now here it is. It's in the garage. I've been about a couple hours diagnosing this no crank, no start problem here. You can see I got the airbox out, got the battery out, fuses, check everything over there. So I got the booster pack in here already. This is ready to go. 12 bolts right there, positive right there, and then negative right there. We're gonna monitor this with the crank and see how much voltage will drop. If it drops below 9 or 8, yeah, it's not gonna crank. All right, so we get the key here. We got the lights on, way better than before. Just keep an eye on that multimeter right there. Let's see how much voltage will drop when I crank this. All right, you can see there's like, was it a 4 or a 5? We got the crank, slow crank. Oh yeah, it was a 7. It was a 7 for sure. We'll try it again. Alright, so it's pretty weak, the crank. We need a good battery on this thing. You can see it was like a 7 volts drop. It was a fully charged battery pack, but let's get something else here. Maybe it could be the starter is dragging, you know, the starter motor. I'm thinking of taking that motor out right there, the starter motor out. But before I do that, it's gonna make sure to confirm that it's good. All right, guys, here we go. Here's a old starter. We're gonna bench test this thing down. All you need is a booster pack, multimeter. You don't really need the multimeter, but it's better to have one so that you can monitor your voltage. And then positive to this big fat stud right here for the battery cable to go in. And then we're gonna monitor it with our multimeter right here. So we got for sure 12 volts, so alligator clips on the negative leads going to the housing, and then positive leads to our positive terminal right here. And then now we need a trigger to jump this battery cable positive to the S connector right here. All right, so here's our ignition right here. We're gonna jump the power to this S terminal right here, and then this will spin on us. Let's turn it on. Got 12 volts. There we go. So make sure to secure this thing down so you don't want this thing to jump. So that's it. What the heck? I see that draw. This voltage is going crazy. Alright, there we go. Try again. That's a big drop. There's a draw in this thing. There's a big draw. We'll try another battery here. Alright, here we go. We'll try this again. 12 volts. Watch this. Right here when it spin out. It looks pretty good. Ben stash. So it's working fine, the starter. Try again. It feels kind of weak though. All right, let's put this starter back in. And there's something is dragging. We'll maybe turn the crank bolt. Make sure it's not seized up or anything.